Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone keyboard larger. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and see a keyboard right now. If you go ahead and see a keyboard that is the current size, if you want it larger, this is the thing you can do. You can go into your setting, and from your setting here, we're going to scroll down to display and brightness. And under display and brightness, you're going to scroll down to the very bottom under display, which says display zoom. You're going to tap on it. And now you may be selected on default by, if you want larger text, you'll select this option and then click on done and then use what's known as zoomed. So the phone is going to go ahead and restart that and then apply those changes. Basically just a quick change apply, and you can see your texts are larger. But then if I go to my keyboard, as you can see here, the keyboard is larger as well. This greatly helps, again, with a bigger keyboard display than the original one. So that's going to be the way to do it. Unfortunately, this does make other icons and text bigger. It's just the way it works out that it is. There is no specific way to just isolate the keyboard. You just have to apply this setting. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.